Today's meters on the bench. Bryman BM786, the EEV blog version, because I don't like the red ones. 79 Series 2, 179, 78 Automotive, 87 Mark 5, and the 189. And little Jess Verdi power supply. It ain't terrible. Let's see, 100 volts. Yeah. Higher you go, better it is, apparently. Yeah. 0. 10 volts. Oh, it takes it a while to drop down. Yeah. Let's see, 10 volts. Up a notch. And 002. You get 10. Alright. It's just the meters I was having fun with today on this particular day. Y'all have a good one.